Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Future I. In this class, let me continue to solve previous year board exam problems from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. 12th problem. In an AP of 50 terms, the sum of first 10 terms is 210 and the sum of its last 15 terms is 2565. Find the AP. This is 4-mark question asked in the year 2019 model question paper. First, understand the problem. They have given three things. The first is, they said, in this problem, there are 50 terms. And the second thing is, sum of first 10 terms is 210. Means beginning 10 terms. Means from A to A10. I mean A to A plus 9D. That is 210. And sum of its last 15 terms is 2565. Understanding this statement is very important. Last 15 terms means in this AP already you have 50 terms. In that last 15 term means from 36 to 50th term. I repeat again, from 36 to 50th term. Till there will be 15 terms. So those 15 terms sum is 2565. So these are the three things they have given. Now let us solve this problem. From where we have to solve this problem? That is a very important. See, we have to start from this statement. Sum of first 10 terms is 210. Sum of 10 terms is given, that is 210. So what shall we do is, first let me write off sum finding formula and look at this statement. 10 is the value of n and 210 is the value of Sn. So let me substitute these values in the problem, children. Let me put n value is 10. So S10 is equals to 10 by 2 into 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. And here we can cancel 2 1s and 2 5s. And 10 minus 1 is, we get 9. 9 multiplied to d, we get 90. And in this place we can write 210. So 210 is equals to 5 into 2a plus 9d. For the next step, this multiplication 5 transferred to this side. So we get that 210 by 5 equals to 2a plus 90. Let me divide this. 5 1s and 5 4s are 20. 1 is remainder, 1 take here, 10 will be there. Next 5 2s are 10. So we get this 2a plus 90 is equals to 42. And this you call it as equation number 1. See, by using this statement, sum of 10 terms is 210. I have formed an equation. Next, we have to use this statement to form another equation. Sum of its last 15 term is 2565. Let me take that statement, and this is very important to understand, children. See, last 15 terms sum I can write like this. Sum of 50 terms. If you subtract sum of first 35 terms, you will get sum of last 15 terms. I repeat again, children. Here they have given last 15 term sum is 2565. So that we can write like this also. Sum of first 50 terms. We don't know actually sum of 50 terms. In 50 terms sum, if you subtract sum of first 35 terms sum, definitely you will get a sum of last 15 terms. Let me understand like this. So same 50 terms there, the sum of 50 terms, and last 10 terms sum is given. In that case, how can you write? 50 minus sum of first 40 terms. It gives sum of last 10 terms. In case if they have given sum of last 5 term means here you have to write sum of first 50 terms minus sum of first 45 terms. That gives for us the sum of 5 terms. So you have to concentrate here and you have to understand this point very well. Next, now this I can write like this. So S50 minus S35 equals to 2565. Now S50 I can write like this by using the formula. So n value have become 50 here because sum of 50 terms I have taken. So in the place of n you substitute 50 and here in the place of n you will get 50 itself. And here in the place of n you will get 35 and here in the place of n you will get 35 and it is equals to 2565. Now let us simplify this, children. Look at here, 2 1s are and 2 25s are 50 and 50 minus 1 gives us, that is 49, and here 2 and 35 we cannot be cancelled. So 35 minus 1 we can write it as 34. So now write all these things here. Now look at here, in this 2a plus 34d, here we can take 2 as common factor. So if we take 2 as common factor, so in this place we get a plus 17d. Now here 2 and 2 gets cancelled and what is left out? Write off all those things as it is. Next, here 25 is there and here 35 is there. So in this you can take 5 as common factor. If you take 5, in this place 5 will be left out and in this place 7 will be left out, and write all other things as it is. So next, this multiplication 5 which has transferred this side, it becomes to denominator. Now let us simplify this. 5 1s are and here 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5, 1 is remainder, and if you take 1 here 15 it will become, and 5 3s are 15. Now we have got 430. Next here 5 multiplied to 2a we get 10a and 5 multiplied to 49, 49 5s are 245. So hence in this place we get 245b. Similarly, minus 7a multiplied to this we get minus 7a and minus 7 multiplied to this, so we get that 17 7s are 119d. So this we will get. So what I did, I just multiplied, children. 5 2s are 10, so hence 10a, again 5 into 49, 245d. Next minus 7 into a is minus 7a, minus 7 into 17d, that gives 119d, and here we have got 530. Next let us simplify those, children. These two are like terms. In 10a, if you subtract 7a, how much do we get? We get 3a. And in 245, if you add 119, no children, here you will get minus. See, so minus into plus is minus, so you will get it here minus, children. So minus 119, not a plus. So subtract this. In 245d, subtract 119d, so we get that 126d. This. Next let us simplify this. Here we can take 3 as common factor. If you take 3 outside, in this place what is left out? A will be left out, and in this place how much will be left out? 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are, so 42d will be left out. Next, This 3 transfer this side, it becomes to the denominator, and let us divide this. 3 ones are and 3 ones are 3, 2 you take here, 2 sevens are 21 and 3 ones are 3, 171 will get. Means a plus 42d equals to 171, and this you call it as equation number 2. And here very important thing is here you wanted to take minus children, not a plus. So next let us move on to solve this equation. See here we have got equation 1 and here equation 2. In both the equation, look at a coefficient. So here a coefficient is 2 and here a coefficient is 1. Now I want to make this a coefficient is 2. So for that, this equation I will multiply by 2. See, multiply the equation 2 by 2. So what I'll get is, I'll get that 2a plus 84d equals to 342. And this you call it as equation number 3. So here, look at, now we have to solve equation 1 and 3, not 2. Because for 2, after multiplying 2, we have got a coefficient same. Hence, we have to solve equation 1 and equation 3. This. So, subtract 1 from 3. Otherwise, you can write here solve equation 1 and 3. So, for that, let me write equation 1 under 1. And here a coefficients are same but opposite signs there. Hence, I have taken minus, minus, minus. That's why I have clearly written here. We have to subtract. So, now let us subtract this plus a and minus 2a will get cancelled. This plus 2a and minus 2a will get cancelled. Let me subtract 9 in 84d. I'll get 75d. And here in 342, if you subtract 42, you will get that 300. Next, this 75 you transfer this side. So it becomes to the denominator. Next, let me simplify this. 75 ones are 75. How much are 300? 4s are 300. Hence, d value is how much? 4. So next, we have to find a value. So for that, this d value substitute in any one of the equation, either 2 or 3 or 1. So let me substitute in equation 1 children. Equation 1 is 2a plus 9d equals to 42. So in this place, let me substitute 4. So I'll get this. Next, multiply this. 9 4s are how much? That is 9 4s are how much? That is 36. So this 36, you just transfer this side, you will get 42 minus 36. This. Next, let me subtract this. 42 minus 36 is 6. Next, 2 you transfer this side, it becomes to denominator. 2 1s and 2 3s are 6. Hence, a value is how much? 3. So, a value we have got 3. Now, we have d value and a value. We can easily find arithmetic progression. Therefore, arithmetic progression is, you just write any 3 terms children. So, arithmetic progression general form is a plus d, a plus 2d and so on. So, a value is how much? That is 3. So, in this place write 3 and in this place a plus d means 3 plus 4 and in this place 3 plus 2 times of 4, just like this. Let us solve this. In this place write 3 itself and this place 3 plus 4 is how much? That is 7. So, first let me multiply here. 2 4s I'll get 8. 8 multiplied to 3. 8 3s are 20. No. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3. I'll get 11. So, 3, 7, 11. So, the required AP is 3, 7 and 11. Little complicated problem children it is. So, practice very well. Next, let us move on to the another problem. 13th one. if sum of first 8 terms of AP is 136 and that of first 15 terms is 465, then find the sum of first 25 terms. 4-mark question asked in 2020 model question paper. Understand the problem. They have given two things, children. So if the sum of first 8 terms is 136, there is an AP. So in that AP, 8 term sum is how much? 136. And this is very important to understand. That of. They are not saying next 15 terms. Children, in 2021 model question paper, same kind of problem they have asked. I think they have asked sum of first 7 terms is some number and next 7 term sum is some number is given. Means in that they have asked next 7 term sum. Here they are not saying that next 15 terms sum. They are saying that of first 15 term sum is 465. It means here first 8 terms is 136, means from A to A8 sum is 136. Here that of first 15 term means again from A to A15 is 465. That is the thing you wanted to understand very well. They are not saying that next 15 terms. Next 15 term means you have to take from 9th term, A9 to next 15 term. So you will get up to A23. That they are not saying. This is not next 15 terms. It is that of 15 terms. Means from A to A15 only. And what we have to find, that is first 15 terms we have to find. So first let me start from this itself, children. Means first 8 terms of AP is 136. Let me start from that itself. First let me write off sum finding formula. So 8 term sum, hence in the place of n you substitute 8 and sum is given how much, that is 136. Hence in the place of Sn write 136, just like this. Now wherever simplification is possible you do off. So 2 1s are and 2 4s are 8. And here 8 minus 1 is how much? That is 7. 7 multiplied to d, how much you will get? 7d. So we get this. And for the next step, 4 you transfer this side. So it will become to the denominator. So 136 by 4. So cancel this. 4 1s are and 4 3s are 12. 1 reminder, 1 take here. Now 16 will be there. So 4 4s are 16. So 34 I have got. So I can write 2a plus 7d is equals to 34 and call it as equation number 1. See, by using first condition, sum of the first 8 terms of AP is 136. By using this condition, I have formed one equation. Similarly, by using second condition, first 15 terms is 465. Form an equation like this. According to second condition, write the formula. Now what will be n value? 15. And what is sum? 465. In this place write 465 and wherever n is there, in that place write 50. Just like this. Next let us simplify this, children. So cancellation is not possible here. So first let me subtract this. So I'll get it here 14. So 14 multiplied to d. So 14 into d is 14d. Next what we want to do is, let me write off this first. Next, this 15 by 2 there, right? This 2 multiplied to 465 and this multiplication 15 to transfer this side, it becomes to denominator. I'll repeat again. This 15 by 2 transfer this side, it will become as 2 by 15, just like this. 2 goes to numerator, 15 will become to denominator. Like this. Next, let us simplify the things here, children. see 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45, 46 there, so 1 remainder. So 15 will be there, 15 ones are 15. Now 31 multiplied to 2, so I'll get 62. So I can write 2a plus 14d equals to 62, and this you call it as equation number 2. Now compare both the equation. You have both the equation in front of you. Which variable coefficients are same? Look at A. So A coefficients are same. What is that? 2. So in both the equation, A having positive 2 or negative 2? Positive 2. Both are positive 2. Hence, whether you want to add the equation or you want to subtract the equation, you have to subtract the equation. So subtract 1 from 2. So let me write equation 1 under 1. I said I want to subtract, hence I am changing the signs here. Now here plus 2a and minus 2a will get cancelled, and here subtract this. In 14d if you subtract 7d, I'll get 7d only, and in 32 subtract 34, you'll get 28. Next, this 7 you transfer this side, so it becomes to denominator. 7 ones and 7 fours. Therefore d value is how much? That is 4. Now we have to find a value. So to find a value, this d value, substitute either in equation 2 or in equation 1. I am substituting in equation 1. So equation 1 is here in this place. So in this place I am writing 4. Now multiply this. 7 4s are 28. That 28 you transfer this side, it becomes minus 28, just like this. Now subtract this. 34 minus 28 is how much? 6. 2a equals to 6. This 2 transfer this side, becomes to the denominator. Now let me simplify this. 2 ones and 2 threes 6. Therefore a value is how much? That is 3. Next, what we have to find in this problem, that is sum of first 25 terms. So we have a value and we have d value. So first let me write sum finding formula, and in the place of a write 3, in the place of n write 25, because we wanted to find sum of 25 terms, and in the place of d write 4. So finally we get that this one, 25 by 2 into 3 plus 25 minus 1 into d. So your cancellation is not possible in this. 25 by 2, let it be as it is. Multiply these two. 2 3s are 6, I'll get 25 minus 1 is 24. This 24 multiplied to 4, 24 4s will get that 96. So this 25 by 2 into 6 plus 96. Now 6 add to 96, I'll get 102. Now this we can cancel. 2 1s are 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. Now 25 multiplied to 51. So if we multiply these two, we get that 1275. Next, let us move on to the another problem. The sum of the 5th and 9th term are on AP is 40. This is not OR, children. This is AR. So write it as AR. On AP is 40 and the sum of 8th and 14th term is 64. Find the sum of first 20 terms. 4-mark question asked in the year 2020 model question paper. Here, first understand the problem. In this problem, 2 statements they have given. First statement is sum of 5th and 9th term of AP is 40. 5th term, how can you write? That is a plus 4d. 9th term, how can you write? that is a plus 8d. These two sum is 40. So according to first condition, see I am adding a plus 4d plus a plus 8d is equals to 40. Next let me simplify this, children. So here a add to a, I'll get 2a, 4d add to 8d, I'll get 12d is equals to 40. Next let me take 2 as common factor here. If I take 2 common factor, here a will be left out, and here so how much is the 12? So 6 are 12, hence in this place I'll get 6d. This. Next, this 2 transfer this side, it becomes to the denominator. Let me cancel this. 2 ones and 2 20s 40. So what I'll get? A plus 6d equals to 20. Call it as equation number 1. See how we got equation 1 by using the first condition. Similarly, by using the second condition, frame another equation. What is the second equation? Sum of 8th term. 8th term you can write it as a plus 7d, and 14th term you can write it as a plus 13d is equals to 64. So this. Next add a plus a is 2a, 7d add to 13d, how much you'll get? That is 20d. 64 right as it is. Again here we can take 2 as common factor. If you take 2 outside, here I'll get only a, and here to how much is 20 to 10s. So here I'll get 10d. So a plus 10d equals to 64. Next this 2 transfer this side becomes to denominator. 2 ones 2 3s 6, 2 2s 4, 32 I'll get. So a plus 10d equals to 32. Call it as equation 2. Now compare both the equation. Which variable coefficients are same? A variable coefficients are same. So here also a value is 1 and here also a value is 1. And both ones are positive only, not different sign. Both are having same sign. Hence we have to subtract the equations. Children, whenever same signs will be there, you have to subtract the equation. Whenever different signs will be there, so you have to add the equations. So I am subtracting. Let me write one equation under another equation, and here I am subtracting, hence I have changed the signs here. And plus a minus a will get cancelled. In 10d, if I subtract 6d, I'll get 4d. And here in 32, if I subtract 20, I'll get 12. Next 4 you transfer this side, children. So it will become to the denominator. And 4 ones are 4, 3s are 12. The 4d value is how much? 3. Next we have to find a value. For that, this value substitute in equation 2 or equation 1. It's your wish. So I am substituting in equation 1. So in equation 1, where is d? D is here. In this place, let me write 3. So if I write 3, otherwise, see, we can be done like this also, children. This 60 I have transferred this side. I have got minus 60. So here I have substituted. Here I have substituted. However, you can do the calculation, not a problem. So now what I'll get it here? 20 is there. 6 3s is how much? That is 18. So 20 minus 18 is how much? That is 2. Therefore, a value 2. A value is 2, d value is 3. What we wanted to find? Sum of first 20 terms. So write sum finding formula, that is Sn is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value is how much? How many terms sum you need to find? That is 20. Hence n value is 20. A values, that is here 2, and d values, that is here 3. Substitute the values. So I'll get this. Now let us simplify this, children. 2 ones and 2 10s. Multiply these to 2 2s, how much? 4. Subtract 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 multiply to 3. 19 3s are 57. So I'll get this. 10 into 4 plus 57. Add this. 4 plus 57 is 61. So 10 into 61 is 610. Therefore, sum of first 20 terms is 610. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's problem. The first problem what I have explained, that you practice very well, because that is a quite difficult one. So to hear previous year questions on the chapter arithmetic progression is over. In the next class we come up with another chapter. I hope you understood. Still, if you have not subscribed for my channel, kindly subscribe for future. Thank you so much.